Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir. Very good morning.
Good morning, beta.
Sir,
Why so
sir
less
now,
number of students today in the
sir in
meeting?
every class, sir, till below 10 only.
All the periods.
Yes, sir. Sir, why? Sir, I don't. And sir, no, sir. How to sir solve now, sir? Algebraic expression, sir. Addition question.
Very good.
Sir, I can solve easily. Sir, I can know, sir. How?
Very good, beta. Very good. So we are. Have we completed the first
Sir,
exercise?
no, sir. We have not completed. I think so.
Okay.
We have. Sir, in last class, I was disconnected in the last few minutes.
Okay.
Sir, what we have done?
We have done some questions of subtraction also. We have done
Sir,
question
can
three
you please
also. We have done
explain
question
again?
three. Question three we have done. We will start with question four. Okay. Okay, let us start.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Okay.
Sir, did you know?
What?
Sir, at my sir, we are at fraction second exercise. Sir, now we are at chapter 6.
Sorry, what?
Sir, in May we are at the fraction second exercise, and now, sir, we are at sir algebraic expressions.
What do you think? We are going slow?
No, sir. At sir that time we are very slow. Sir, now, sir, we have come back.
Hmm. चलिए. Question number 4. Subtract. Subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. Okay. So
They're very tough.
2m plus अरे नहीं 2m plus 4n minus 3p square. इसको this is the first expression and second expression minus m minus n minus p square इन दोनों को ऐड करना है और हैं दो और हैं 8m minus 7n plus 6p square plus minus 3m minus 4n minus p square. ये we have to add, there are four expressions. We have to add these two first bracket में Add these two in the second bracket and then find the difference. Minus. Okay. So this is the question. Let's solve the square brackets first. 2m plus 4n minus 3p square minus m minus n minus p square minus 8m minus 7n plus 6p square minus 3m minus 4n minus p square.
Sir,
So
first we have to, sir, I think 2m minus 1m.
2m minus m is equal to m plus 4n minus n is equal to plus 3n minus 3p square minus p square is minus 4p square. Okay. Minus second bracket 8m minus 3m is 5m minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11n plus 6 minus 1 plus 5p square. Now when you open the bracket, because there is a minus in between, तो सेकंड ब्रैकेट से पहले माइनस लगा हुआ है, तो सेकंड वाले ब्रैकेट के आगे जो भी टर्म्स हैं वो सब नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे.
Sir, we can write 1m also. 1m plus 3n.
Yes, yes, yes. m plus 3n minus 4p square minus 5m plus 11n minus 1 into plus 5 minus 5p square. Changing the signs. m minus 5m minus 4m plus 3 plus 11 plus 14n minus 4 minus 5 minus 9p square. Answer. Understood?
Okay, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
Do question number 5 in homework.
Okay, sir.
Question 6, simplification.
Sir, in question 5, sir, we have to, sir, first minus the same terms. Sir, like
Subtract the
8a.
sum of this and this from this. पहले आपको 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square इन दोनों को ऐड करना है, सम करना है. जो भी सम आएगा उसको माइनस
Sir, first,
में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो लिखेंगे -3, पहले लिखेंगे -3 माइनस, फिर स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे.
भैया
स्क्वायर
ताला खोल दो जरा.
खुल गया बेटा?
Sir, means, yes, sir. Sir, means first 8a minus 10a, then minus 6a square plus 8a square, then sir 9 minus 8. This.
Huh?
Hello, excuse me. Sir, first we
I'm-
have to, sir, this like 8a
देखो यार,
minus 10a. Sir, then 6a square plus 8a square. Then sir 9 minus 8. Sir, means sir first we have to, sir, subtract the same terms.
लाइक टर्म्स को ही ऐड करते हैं बेटा.
Yes, sir, I am saying that only. Sir, means 8a minus 10a. Sir, that I am saying.
मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, देखो. Now add the like terms. 8a minus 10a minus 2a minus 6a square plus 8a square is
Sir, I am saying that only.
प्लस 9
Sir,
माइनस
I
8
am saying like term, same term.
बेटा
Sir,
ठीक
I
है
am saying
ठीक है
that only.
माइनस 3 प्लस 2a minus 2a square minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 minus 4 plus 2a minus 2a square. This is the answer. Look,
होगा sir.
note down कर दिया मैंने.
Sir, saying that. Sir, I am saying that only.
हाँ
Sir,
हाँ बेटा हाँ
means
हाँ I
first
understood
minus 10a plus 8a.
I
Sir, I am saying
understood
that
I
only.
now I understood. Earlier I was not able to understand what you were saying. Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, eighth class in this chapter is square root to find. And sir,
What happened?
sir, in the eighth class there is algebraic expression, so we have to find by square root.
Square root is a different chapter. Algebraic expression is a different chapter.
No, sir, in algebraic expression we have to find square root.
Algebraic expression में square root नहीं निकालना.
Means, sir, I am like first we have to
Identities का
take the
use
square
करना है
root.
आपको. There is a use of identities in the chapter algebraic expressions in class 8. Okay, second part we have to simplify this. Question number 6. X square minus x minus 1 upon 2. बेटा ये 2 मैंने बहुत गंदा सा बनाया है, देख लीजिए.
No, sir, I understood clearly. So 2 is
Okay.
very good.
Okay. X minus 3 plus 3x square. This is the second bracket. Okay. Okay, now x square minus x. Now when you open the brackets, this minus 1 upon 2 will be multiplied with all the three terms. तीनों terms है और ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं.
Sir, but in this exercise there is no multiply.
Minus, you can write it like this also. X minus 3 plus 3x square whole upon 2. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you can take the LCM. Here the denominator is 1 and here the denominator is 2. So taking
Sir,
2
can
as
we write
the
in bracket? Sir, x square minus x upon 1 bracket, then x minus 3 plus 3x square bracket.
you can write in bracket also. But if there is if it is written like this, it means there is no use of bracket. आप bracket लगाएं या ना
Sir,
लगाएं.
like this. I'm showing. Sir, this. Sir, like this.
Yes, you can write in bracket also. Okay. So 2 is the denominator. So 2 is the LCM. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 into numerator. X square minus x minus now 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 will be multiplied with the numerator. X minus 3 plus 3x square. Okay. Now open the brackets. 2 into x square. 2 into minus x is minus 2x. Minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 1 into 3x square minus 3x square whole upon 2. ओके, इसके बाद 2x square minus 3x square like terms, so minus x square minus 2x and minus x minus 3x plus 3 whole upon 2. So you can leave it here also. This is the answer. और आप चाहें तो 2 को तीनों टर्म्स के साथ डिवाइड में लगा सकते हैं. That is also correct answer. Understood?
Yeah, sir. Sir, I want to ask.
Yes.
Sir, in maths, sir, we have, sir, first we have done, sir, lines and angles. Sir, not rational numbers, sir. Why?
Sorry, what happened?
Sir, we have done direct lines and angles only. Sir, but we have not, first we have not done rational numbers, sir. Why?
दोस्तों क्या क्या हो गया? कोई बात नहीं.
Sir, first I think algebraic expression is very difficult of addition and subtraction. So now I understood clearly.
Okay,
Sir, thank you for explaining.
no problem. It is my job. It is good to know that you are able to learn and understand something from me. You're able to gain something. Okay, all of you. So have you all done the second part?
Yes, sir. Sir, can we do the fourth part?
Yes, let's do the fourth part. One upon 3 y square first bracket minus 4 upon 7 y plus 5 bracket close minus second bracket 2 upon 7 y upon 2 upon 7 y minus 2 upon 3 y square plus 2 bracket close minus 1 upon 7 y
Sir,
minus 3, yes,
sir,
plus
can you
2y
use a
square.
real whiteboard?
Real whiteboard?
Yes, sir. Not
Why?
digital whiteboard.
Why?
Sir, that's look nice, sir, to
Do you
see
want me
on
to teach
digital.
on the
The
whiteboard?
white. No, yes, sir, the real whiteboard,
With the
like in school,
with
real
whiteboard
whiteboard.
with a marker?
Yes, sir. Sir, you sir teach in my. Sir, sir, I know.
Why do you want this?
Sir, sir, that's look nice.
But the video quality does not come that good in that.
No, sir, the
Plus,
video quality is very good.
plus it takes lot of time to erase also. इसमें erasing में भी बहुत time लगता है. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. You want to see my video?
Yes, sir.
इसलिए कह रहा हूँ.
नो सर, सर सर उधर से सारा अच्छा समझ में आता है।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अब ठीक है।
यस सर।
आर यू हैप्पी?
यस।
Okay, now let's open the brackets. 1 upon 3 y square
I
minus,
think you are at beach.
yes, 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 I'm at my own beach. Minus 4 upon 7y plus 5 minus 2 by 7y माइनस है बेटा, देखो बाहर, तो जब बाहर माइनस लगा होता है ब्रैकेट से पहले, आप सारी टर्म्स के साइन चेंज कर देते हैं। ओके, तो माइनस 2 upon 7y प्लस 2 upon 3y² -2, यहाँ पर भी थर्ड ब्रैकेट से भी पहले माइनस लगा हुआ है। अगेन सारी टर्म्स के साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे। -1/7y +3 -2y²। ओके, नाउ write all the like terms together। 1/3y²,
Excuse me, sir.
yes sir, plus 2/3y।
Sir, can we write 5 upon 1 after minus 4 upon 7y plus 5 upon 1?
हाँ हाँ, yes we can write, अभी लिख लेंगे। Plus 2/3y² -2y। So all the like terms I have written together। Okay, and you can write them in one bracket, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, because we will be adding them, simplifying all the like terms। Plus now in the second bracket I am writing all the terms which are having y। जिन टर्म्स में y है वो सारी टर्म्स में साथ में लिख रहा हूँ। -4/7y -2/7y -1/7y, ये सारी टर्म्स मैंने लिख दी। प्लस थर्ड ब्रैकेट 5 -2 +3, this is the third bracket। So simplify all the three brackets। Let me send the link in the next class, my next class। Till then you all simplify all the three brackets, simplify करिए, LCM वगैरह लेके करो। Have you all done the question? Yes, all of you. Done? बेटा आपका आंसर क्या आया है मुझे बताइए. कर लिया होगा आप सबने.
Yes, sir.
बताओ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Sir, but
Sir, I am
the
confused, sir.
screen,
I cannot.
You are confused.
the screen is vanished from screen.
बेटा maybe because of network.
Sir, I can rejoin.
Yes, rejoin. देखो बेटा, in the first bracket, the LCM, here the denominator is 1, so the LCM will
9.
be 3. Why 9? 3 is the LCM. So this is y square plus 2y square minus 6y square plus second bracket.
Sir, 1y square.
बेटा 6y
Excuse me,
square.
sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, 1y square.
बेटा 1 लिखो या y square लिखो, एक ही बात है ना. ठीक है. So
Sir?
here the denominator is 7. Yes. बोलो.
Sir, now I understood. Sir, now I understood.
Okay. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4y. Minus 2y minus 1y.
Sir, that is same
Yes.
only because the LCM is same.
Yes. Plus 5 minus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 3 over 8. 8 minus 2 over 6. So third bracket में 6%.
6
Here,
upon 1.
yeah. यहाँ पर देखिए. Y square plus
1y
2y
plus
square is 3y
1y.
square. 3y square
Sir,
minus
minus 5y square.
minus 3y square.
Sir, y?
Y square plus 2y square 3y.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
3
sir.
minus
Yes,
6
sir.
is minus 3
Sir, we will cut, so we will get 1y square. If we will cut
plus
these two.
yes minus 1 minus y square. Here minus 4y minus 2y minus 1y minus 7y
Minus 8y.
minus 7y upon 7
Yes, sir. Minus 7y.
plus 6. Okay. Now
Sir, we will cut these two. Sir,
हाँ, ये
minus 1
3
and
से 3 cancel हो गया, 7 से 7 cancel हो गया. So this is minus y square plus into minus is minus y plus 6. This is the answer.
yes, sir. Got it. Sir, thank you.
Understood?
Sir, now please explain multiplication.
Yes, we will now start the next exercise, multiplication.
Yes. Sir, multiplication is easy, I think.
Very easy.
Sir, but sir, verify is difficult to verify.
Okay. Have you all noted the question in your copies?
Yes, sir. Please see. Sir? Hello?
Very good, beta. Very good, very good. Daksh Gangwar, do you know that you are a very good student? You are very actively participating in the class. That is very good. My expectations from you are very, very high. Daksh Gangwar, do you know that?
Thank you, sir.
I hope you will score full marks in your UTs and in your exams. Am I right?
Thank you, sir.
बस एक चीज थोड़ा सा किया करो, व्हेन 2-3 चीजों में थोड़ा सा आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है। जैसे कि वन थिंग इज दैट थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलते हो वेन एवर द टीचर इज एक्सप्लेन। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको कुछ कमी निकालना हूँ आपके अंदर। आई एम टेलिंग यू द डिपार्टमेंट वेयर यू कैन इम्प्रूव एज अ स्टूडेंट। वन थिंग इज दैट यू कैन
Okay, sir.
improve yourself in suppose when the teacher is explaining, so just wait when the teacher is finished, उसके बाद अपना डाउट पूछा करो, ठीक है? जैसे टीचर ने, मैं जैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ या कोई भी और टीचर हो, someone is explaining, so let him finish first and then you ask your doubt, ठीक है? एंड सेकंड थिंग, थोड़ा सा लाउड, मतलब वो तो खैर हो सकता है मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ योर माइक, थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट बोला करो, ठीक है? Otherwise, there is no problem. You are very good.
Sir, now it is fine.
And I hope you are, yes, yes. I hope you are doing practice at home also.
Yes, sir, but now I am doing my duties. After your death, I will start my death again.
Okay, very good. You are
Sir,
studying
now my
maths?
voice is fine.
Do you study maths daily?
Yes, sir. Sir, I go,
Very good.
actually, sir, tuition I go. And sir, I will solve some. Sir, in tuition, I am on rational number.
Very good. But I don't think you need any coaching or tuition. I think your school teacher is teaching well,
Yes, sir.
especially in maths. You don't need any tuition, am I right? Your maths teacher is
Yes,
a very
sir.
good teacher, am I right?
Sir, but in offline, there is very, sir, good interacting with each other.
Yes. चलो 3 into 8 is 24. Now how do you multiply two algebraic expression? बहुत easy चीज होती है। In algebraic expressions, multiplication, it is not compulsory कि जो दोनों terms को हम multiply कर रहे हैं they should be like terms, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आप कोई भी terms को multiply कर सकते हैं, like हो या ना हो इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। Understood? So 3 into 8 is 24. Now a square into a to the power 4, ये भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है। a square into a to the power 4 आपने algebraic सॉरी एक्सपोनेंट्स चैप्टर में आपने पढ़ा था। when the bases are same और हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो पावर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, हमारा 8 to the power 6 बन जाएगा। याद है आपको? बेस सेम होता है, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो
in-
पावर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, याद है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो ये क्या बन गया? a to the power 6। लॉ पढ़ा था आपने एक्सपोनेंट्स चैप्टर का, फर्स्ट लॉ।
Yes, sir.
बेस सेम,
Sir, we have to power plus.
मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो यू ऐड द पावर्स, a to the power 6। so this is the answer. Is it easy or not?
Yes.
Let's do question number 2। तो सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स मैथ्स में जो भी जहां पर भी आप पढ़ते हैं वो सब जगह यूज हो जाते हैं, सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स। एम आई राइट? अभी देखिए यहाँ पर भी कुछ यूज होगा। इंटीजर्स आपने पढ़ा हुआ है, आपने एक्सपोनेंट्स भी पढ़ा हुआ है, आपने अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन भी पढ़ रहे हैं, तो सारी चीजें मिक्स हो जाएंगी एक ही क्वेश्चन में। देखिए यहाँ पे 3 चीजें मिक्स हो रही है।
Sir,
यस,
sir, second answer is minus 30x power 5.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट। -6 into 5, -6 into 5 is -30। देखिए इंटीजर्स का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हुआ है यहाँ पर।